guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are doing some clear glitter nails. We are using Modelones. I didn't show it in the beginning of this video, but I'm going to show it after I do my nail prep. I kind of did it backwards because usually I'll unbox the product that I'm using and then I'll do my nail prep. But I filmed the fall video, the nail set that I have on my other hand. I filmed these two nail sets right after each other, so I was just kind of going with the flow, so I was doing everything pretty quick. So we're just first going to start out with doing nail prep. Cut my cuticles, push back my cuticles, trim down my nails, remove the shine from my nails. And I'm going to be using these long stiletto nail tips that I got from Amazon. They're not really, well, to me they're not really long. To me, I think they're just kind of like, medium short. But I'm just going to glue those nail tips on with my KDS glue. And here are how all the nail tips are looking, and now I'm just going to cut them down. Here's what we got today. These are some chrome powders, which I'm not going to be using today. That's for another day, another video. But what we are going to be using today are these Modelones Glitter Polygels. So the first polygel we got here that we are going to swatch. The next glitter we got here has stars. Next we have heart glitters. Okay, so here are all the glitters. It's kind of hard to see, but this first one has butterfly glitters. The next one has stars. Third one has hearts. This fourth one is like hexagon. I don't know. And then the last one has square glitters. So I'm just going to be doing literally each of these glitters on every finger. So the next thing I'm going to be using is some Young Nails primer. I'm just going to put 2 layers of primer on each of the nails. Now I'm going to take some base coat and paint some base coat on each of the nails. Alright, so I'm just basically doing one glitter on each nail, so I'm using a different glitter on each of the nails. And the first nail we're doing is the butterfly glitter nail, and first off, this polygel, it's kind of stiff. I suggest probably soaking it in some warm water, making sure that the polygel tube is closed all the way, but probably soaking it in some hot water so that the polygel become a little more softer, because this polygel was very stiff, a little bit hard to work with, not gonna lie. The butterfly glitter were very cute. Like, I like the colors of it. It was like blue and the shimmer of like pinkish orange, and I really like that. The next finger we did was the star glitter, and honestly the star, it was just poking out of the polygel a little bit too much, so it was kind of hard to smooth out the nail, but I still got it as good as I could. And then I moved on to my ring finger, which has heart glitters, and I think the heart glitters is probably my favorite. At first I thought the star glitters would be my favorite, but that polygel was just really hard to work with because of how like spiky the stars are. They just kept poking out every which way from the nails. And then on the pinky nail, I did the square glitters. I didn't do the hexagon shaped, that circular shaped ones, because I like the heart glitters a little bit too much, so I put the heart glitter on my thumbnail instead of using the circular glitter. So yeah, I didn't use that one, but I'm sure it would have just been as good as the rest of them. So this is a quick little video for you guys. I know it's like I haven't been very active and I'm just really like on my final stretch of school, so I have only a couple assignments left in each of my classes and have final exams like next week and the week after that. So I'm about to be done. I just filmed a Christmas nail set, and I'm very excited for that one. So I'm just trying to get this video out of the way and posted for you guys to have something to watch. Back to the nail set. I'm just going in with some clear acrygel from Modelones. This is what I like to use to encapsulate. Honestly, I think this was a little bit of a mistake because the acrygel got a little bit too bubbly because of how lumpy the glitters made the nail. It was like the acrygel was trying to soak into all the crevices, and it made it like kind of bubbly and a little bit cloudy. So the nails weren't really as clear as I wanted them to be. The polygel was good, like it was clear and the glitters were very nice, but it was just really stiff and the glitters were it was just hard to shape the nail, honestly. And the acrygel didn't help. It just made the nails a little bit bubblier, but that was my fault because I'm the one who used it. Because when I lay down the acrygel, I usually like, paint it on the nail, so it's kind of like it could create a lot of bubbles, so it's kind of my fault for the bubbles. But anyway, after I encapsulated the nails, I am just taking some 70% alcohol and rubbing off that sticky layer of the nails. And now I'm going in with my Makartt dust collector and my hand file, and I'm just reshaping these nails. So if you guys are interested in this glitter polygel kit, all the information for it will be in the description. I do think the glitters are very cute, and it's like, this is unique. I have not seen anyone else, any polygel brand do like chunky glitters like this in their polygel, especially like butterfly shaped, star shaped, heart shaped, you know what I mean? So this is very new to me, this like product like this, and I actually enjoy it, but I think the polygel was just a little bit too stiff, and like the star glitter just poked out of the, like it was hard to shape that star nail because of how the glitters poked out of the nail too much. But yeah, if you guys are still interested, the link for it will be in the description. You can use the code VIC for 15% off. I still think these are really nice, like they're cute polygels. This can make some cute nail sets, especially if you're like overlapping it over colored polygel, you know what I mean? So anyway, after we're done shaping and filing and buffing the nails, I'm just taking my top coat and putting top coat on each of the nails. And I know you can see some like gems in the corner of my screen, but I decided not to use them because it just, like, I was kind of in a rush because I was going somewhere after I finished this nail set. So I was like, you know what, let's not do any gems, let's just paint top coat on these nails and be done. after we painted top coat on the top of the nails and on the underside of the nails, I'm just adding some dipped and dusted nails cuticle oil to all of my cuticles and rubbing that in. And here are how the nails turned out. I still think they turned out super cute. I have not had like a full clear like nail set like this. I've done some clear nails, but not a full set like this, and honestly, like, I felt like a different person. I think they're really cute. Unfortunately, there was a little bit, like, a lot of bubbles in these nails because of how much I mixed around the acry gel trying to smooth it out. But other than that, I still think these nails turned out super cute. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, I'm getting a lot of videos out soon. Hopefully. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!